Hello friends, today I am going to talk about one of the most used, misused or abused word in the English language. The word is sorry or excuse me. We use it so often that it has lost its meaning. When we have to apologize to somebody, is just saying sorry good enough? No. Apology has got three qualifications. One and the foremost is that any apology has to be genuine. It has to come from the heart. How do you know that it is coming from the heart? You can make out from the body language of the person who is giving this apology. You can find out from the tone of the person who says sorry. If I say, I'm sorry, will anybody take it as an apology? Or when I'm saying, I'm sorry, the other person is looking angry at you, will I take that apology? Will I take it as an apology? No. On the other side, if I am genuinely feeling bad about something which I had done, my whole body will say that. My tone will be of humility. I will say, I'm sorry. And my body language will speak that. My tone will speak that. So ensure that apology comes from the heart. It has to be genuine. It cannot be from a sense of arrogance. It cannot be just for the sake of it. It cannot be pre-qualified by saying, if I hurt you, or if you felt bad about it, then I'm sorry. Then it is conditional. Then you're not taking overall responsibility for it. So the first qualification for an apology is that it has to be genuine. Second, it has to be immediate. I can't make a mistake or offend somebody and after 2 years I remember that I had done something wrong. Then one fine day I ring up and ask that person, see, 2 years back I had done some mistake for you. I'm sorry about it. So even if it is genuine, it is too late. The second qualification is it has to be immediate. So if I am genuine and immediate feedback, immediate apology, does that make a good apology? No. What about the loss the other person would have incurred by my mistake? So there has to be a compensation given. Only when all the three, the genuineness of the apology, the fact that it is given immediately, and I compensate for whatever loss has occurred because of my mistake, then the apology becomes complete. I read it in some newspapers. Some years back, you remember in Japan there was the tsunami disaster. And a nuclear power plant of the Tokyo Electric Power Company that got exploded and all the radioactive material leaked into the seawater and lakhs of people suffered radioactive damages. So as per what I had read it in the newspaper, Tokyo Electric Power Company within 24 hours apologized to the people who were affected by the radioactive leakage and paid millions of dollars as compensation for all those people who were affected by that. So only then the apology becomes complete. So let us remember, apology is not given by the timid people. They are not given by the arrogant people. It is given by people who are really humble, and they value the relationship above their own pride and arrogance. So let us look forward. Whenever we make mistakes, tell sorry and apologize in the proper manner. Thank you.